Hi there, I'm John and I'm a Zenfolio expert. And today I'm going to show you how to edit your navigation block in the website editor. To get started, log into your Zenfolio account and on your dashboard, click the website icon on the left to load up the web editor. Once the web editor loads, click your navigation bar at the top of your site preview to edit it. A new menu titled Navigation Block will roll in from the left. There are various options available to you when editing the navigation block. First, let's talk about the different layout options. On the right side of your site preview, you'll see a gray box that says Layout in either A, B, or C. This layout option can be clicked to switch between the different layout options available for the block. Next, you can configure appearance options for your navigation block in the navigation block menu on the left. Underneath the navigation block header, you'll see a section titled Appearance. The first option, Sticky Nav, will make it so that your navigation menu stays in place when users scroll up and down on your page. The second option, Show Logo, allows you to choose whether your business's name in text or your logo appears on your nav bar. If you do choose to show your logo, you can also choose some additional options here, such as the variant or type, logo light or logo dark. This can be configured in your account settings. And you can also choose which display size you'd like to use for your logo, small, medium, or large. Next, you can configure how many of your menu items will be visible before being rolled into the More drop-down menu, as shown here. Please note that this number is a general guideline. However, because our websites are automatically built to be dynamic, the amount of items that are actually shown to you here will vary based on your monitor's resolution and screen size. Next, you can choose to display dividers between your menu items, such as colons, bars, or mid dots. The spacing option allows you to increase or decrease the amount of space that exists between your menu items. The hover state option dictates how your links will behave when they're hovered over. In this example, lighten, as chosen here, will make the link appear lighter when hovered over, whereas underline will underline the link instead when it's hovered over. The drop-down option dictates the behavior of your drop-down menus and changes based on a combination of the template you've chosen and the color palette you've decided on. In this example, the two options are transparent black and white. This last section, background, will allow for you to choose the background color for the entire navigation menu. The color options displayed in this section, though, are dependent on the color palette you've chosen for your template as well.